A common question I get is, what exactly is an industry sector and how does it impact material creation? Many SAP users often think it's just a simple label, but it's much more than that. The industry sector acts like a remote control for your screen. It determines which fields are hidden, which are mandatory, and which are visible when you create a material. Let me show you a live example. Right now, I'm in transaction MM01, and I've selected the industry sector as mechanical engineering. For the material type, I have chosen raw material. Regardless of the model, when I hit Enter and go to the Basic Data 1 tab, you'll notice that certain fields are hidden from view. Specifically, the material number and division fields are now perfectly visible. Why does this happen? Because in the real world, different industries require different data. A retail company needs different fields compared to a mechanical engineering plant. SAP hides irrelevant fields to keep the screen clean. But what if you want all fields to be visible, with none hidden? To achieve that, we'll need to link our industry sector to a special field reference. For that, we'll head over to transaction OMS3. First, we'll look for the industry sector mechanical engineering, which has a code of M. The field reference M is attached to it. I've created another field reference manually, named ZALL, and assigned it to an industry sector UAV. Let's go back to MM01 and choose the industry sector as UAV. Hit Enter. Go to Basic Data 1, and you'll see the material number and division fields are now visible. In the UAV industry sector, I haven't hidden them. This is because I assigned a different field reference to UAV. Let's return to OMS3. We'll search for the industry sector UAV, where the field reference ZALL is assigned. The ZALL reference is specifically designed to leave every single field unhidden. How do we actually control this field reference? We use the OMS9 transaction. Let me navigate to... Now, going to the OMS9 transaction, I'll locate the field reference ZALL. This ZALL field reference is currently assigned only to the UAV industry. If I check for the industry sector field reference M, it's assigned to 3 industries: mechanical engineering, MIL, and AWT services. So regardless of whether I choose mechanical engineering, MIL, or AWT services, for all these industry sectors, the fields of division and material number will be hidden. Now you understand why your fields might be disappearing, but how can you edit these field references to make specific fields visible or mandatory? I'll show you the exact step-by-step configuration in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.